Hello everyone, myself Varun Sajwan. I am from Uttarakhand. I have completed my graduation from HNB and I joined Evision on 25 April 2023 and I completed my course. During my course, I learned about Windows administration, Linux administration, cyber security, ITIL, and etc. Also CCNA. And there are different trainer in Evision for different module like Sasank Vajang sir and Vibhusit Dev sir, Rahul Das sir, etc. Also, it provides 100% job placement and in recently I have also selected as a service desk engineer in Gurgaon. So it is a good platform to making career in IT sector. So please join Evision and I joined Evision because earlier my two friends also uh, did course from Evision and he is also working in Gurgaon. One of them is as a DevOps engineer and the another is desktop support engineer and they are getting a good salary and also enjoying his life. So thanks for evision and the consultancy service also good in evision. They are helpful and especially Anamika ma'am and Sati ma'am. Thank you evision team for supporting us. Thank you.